Places, everyone! Action!
We're going out to dinner. You kids get along. Promise?
Oh, we promise, Mommy. Pooches and I just love each other, don't we, Pooches? That wasn't supposed to happen, was it?
Goodbye.
Ew! Stuck with you again? Why couldn't you have been a baby sister? At least her diapers would have smelled better than you do. Oh, Pooches, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to upset you. Come on, let's take a walk. I've got your leash right here. Come to Pippi. Wait till I get my hands on you, you little furball.
That's not in the script.
Hey, get down from there. Puppies aren't supposed to be on TV. I mean on the TV.